Hi, welcome to Val's Keto Life. Today I am making something for Valentine's Day. It's really hard when you're on keto and you don't get to have Valentine's Day. Or you don't get all the chocolates, or you get sugar-free with a lot of sugar-free alcohols. The sugar alcohols that don't feel pleasant. Certainly not a Valentine's Day treat I want. But anyway, sorry about that. But anyway, I'm going to make you something really quick that you can put together and serve very quickly. Okay, here we go. Oh, and if you like these kind of videos, hit subscribe, ring the bell. Every Wednesday, I come back with another one. So I have my heat on right now on medium. And I have put in here with these, as you can tell, because they're all messy, a half cup, one of these peanut butter, one of these the solid coconut oil, which I think is delicious. Okay. I have put in a tablespoon of vanilla, tablespoon of pure. This is an organic stevia blend. It has erythritol. Doesn't have all those other icky things. I put in Lily's dark chocolate. Again, one of these, half cup. And then, okay, on this half cup thing, I put in 2 of these chopped up pecans. I get these pecans at Costco, easy chop up. And then what I did is I put them all in here, and I'm just melting. I'm melting over like a medium heat, but it's not a super high heat. And they're all solids, right? So think of this, it has the nuts in it, so it looks a little chunky. Think of it like butter. So as butter softens, it starts to become liquefied, right? So the coconut oil, the peanut butter, Lily's dark chocolate chips, right? This is the one with stevia. It all becomes liquid. Then what I do is I take this, and this actually fills these up. I grab my tablespoon. I take a tablespoon. There we go. And let me show you. That's it. And I fill them up. At that point, I take them and I put them in the refrigerator because I want them to go solid again. So that's how I do it. I just put them in the refrigerator. Now these make 20 fat bombs, or 20 pieces of chocolate that you can gift or give to all your keto friends and people who are on keto. It's good tasting, it's nice, it's just really lovely. Okay, let me show you real quick. My sister made this for me. See? It has this thing I can wipe my hands off so I don't have to lick my fingers anymore. That's kind of what you think that's going to happen. And then it's easy to figure out the macros. I'm going to put those in the description of this. But already I have almost half of these filled because it's just that quick. And they become, let me show you what they're going to become. Because I already made a batch. This is what they become. And so you can easily, I already ate half of this one because I felt like I needed to sample. Delicious.